Welcome to my kitchen. So today I wanna eat ramen. So making soup, little bit special soup I'm gonna make it. So chicken flavored miso and tobanjang, miso hot spicy ramen soup, simmered with chicken and Chinese cabbage and Chinese leek, nira. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Chicken. Flavor come out chicken. So I recommend chicken size good flavor. So if you wanna use breast, it's a little bit light flavor. I like chicken size. Good for the making soup. Yes. Okay, now making dashi base stock. So 1 liter water and kombu. Starting boil about 4-5 minutes. So kombu pick up. And this is sababushi. This is a basic dashi. This is a dashi, tano. So 2 slices of garlic and 2 slices of ginger, hot chili powder. Tobanjang, chicken, miso. Shiro dashi. Mirin. Sake. Let me check taste. More miso. I need more rich miso flavor taste. Taste again. Perfect. Switch. Soup is done. So Chinese cabbage, Chinese leek, niga. Ramen. This is a thin one, so have about 30 minutes. Sesame seed. Half-boiled egg. Okay, done. Okay. flavored ramen. Try taste soup. Oh, good taste. Spicy hot ramen. So this one is a type of a thin noodle boiling so fast. Nira, ramen, Chinese cabbage, chicken, itadakimasu. Oh, delicious. So good. So you cannot eat any type of ramen restaurant. This is my original. It's hot pot miso, hot flavored ramen. This one is makes so easy. You better try it. So now time on 8 o'clock morning. This is my breakfast. Asara morning ramen. So good, so tasty. I love it. Hard-boiled egg. Melty. So, thank you for watching my channel. See you again next time in my kitchen. You better try Asara morning ramen. Thank you. Have a good day.